lot of vibration here. So when this moves, this one will work and this vibration sensor will get the sense from here to here. These vibration sensor may get the sense because of this, because of the railway tracks broken, and it will not get the sense from here. So this sensor will sense to the loco pilot that there is a blockage in the railway tracks. So before 200 meters, the train will, the loco pilot will understand that there is a blockage in the understand through these sensors. We have also worked on the thermal sensor because sometimes we have seen that there is a death of the animal due to the when of the accident of the train. So when animals will come on the tracks, then before 200 meters it will be able to understand that something there is on the tracks. And also in the rainy days due to the less friction, so this case heated and this rainy friction you get that.